secrets still lie buried deep inside the silo. Season 3 promises more shocking revelations, hidden truth, and a fight for survival that will change everything we thought we knew. Are you ready to uncover the next chapter of humanity's darkest mystery? What if I told you the Silo Season 3 is about to blow the doors wide open on secrets we've all been dying to know? This isn't just another season, it's the chapter that takes us outside the silo for the very first time. Imagine stepping into the sunlight after generations underground. Well, that's exactly what's coming in Season 3. It's based on Hugh Hoy's second book, Shift, which means we are getting two storylines at once. A chilling prequel that reveals how and why the silos were built, and the ongoing struggle of Juliet and the survivors in the present. Rebecca Ferguson is back front and center, and while the books don't give her much room here, the showrunners aren't about to sideline the powerhouse lead. Expect Juliet to uncover even darker truths while fighting to survive against impossible odds. And here's where it gets insane. Silo 70's tragic fate will finally be explained. Remember those haunting images of people willingly walking outside to die? Season 3 is going to tell us why, but that's not all, because this season also dives into the creepy mysteries of fertility rules, the twisted laws of the pact, and the powerful forces that control every breath inside the silo. New characters are also stepping into the spotlight, with Jessica Henwick joining as Helen, a sharp journalist digging for answers, and Ashley Zuckerman playing a Daniel, a congressman with his own hidden agenda. Both will shape the story in ways fans aren't ready for. And here's the game changer. The series will introduce an outdoor settings and actual daylight for the very first time. This isn't just a shift in scenery, it's a shift in the entire narrative. The claustrophobic underground world that we thought we knew. Season 3 is tearing that apart and revealing the bigger, more terrifying picture. Showrunners have also teased that a massive new locations will appear by the end of Season 3, setting up Season 4 as the explosive finale. Filming for Season 3 and 4 has already wrapped back to back, so we know this story is heading towards one giant shocking conclusion. Release-wise, the wait won't be short but totally worth it. Expect the season to hit Apple TV Plus either late 2025 or early to mid 2026. Silo Season 6 isn't just continuing the mystery, it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about the world. So here's the big question. Once the truth is revealed, will the survivors fight to stay underground? Everything for the light above. And that's everything we thought we know so far about Silo Season 3. What do you think will be the biggest twist this season? Drop your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite shows only on Screen Explain TV.